That's it, Brian? Yes.
Hello to everyone who watches this video. We are as usually very pleased to see you on our channel. We came to distant abandoned places and took a magnet with us. Today we will not inspect the old abandoned houses. We will lower the search magnet into the well, which is located on the territory of the old collapsed house. This well is well preserved and it even has water. Our search magnet is almost ready to go down. It only remains to clean it a little from the mud after the last time. We will begin. As you can see, my partner is already releasing a magnet in the well. This well is deep enough but not too much. We still have a few meters of rope left. Let's see what happens next. Will we be able to catch anything here? Let's just watch. My partner says that he has already caught something. Let's lift the magnet to the surface and see. As you can see, we have the first catch, or rather say 2 finds. We pulled a spare part from a bike and a small self-made bucket from the well. This bucket looks very unusual. Apparently it was made from some kind of large cartridge case. Excellent finds. Let's clean the magnet of small metal debris and continue fishing. A little time passed and my friend again caught something. He says that this catch is quite heavy. He also says that raising the catch upwards is hard work because of the specific design of the well. Now he will rest a little and continue. We already see the next catch. We got a big old bucket together with some kind of crowbar. That's why it was so hard. Because this time we again caught 2 finds, and these findings are rather weighty. Excellent result. We did not expect that there could be so many metal things lying in the well. Let's clean the magnet again from debris and continue. We thought a little bit and decided to switch roles because I already have a backache. Now my partner will be fishing, and I will record video. We hope to catch something else in this well. You just have a look. Another one catch. Several metal objects were again attached to the magnet. This time the catch was not as heavy as last time. This well continues to please us. Let's drop there the search magnet again. This time we already got nothing except for some thin wire and a lot of small metal fragments. It seems that from this well we have already pulled out all the metal finds that were there. This is an incredible well. We are simply amazed by so many finds. We are happy with the result of today's fishing. We also hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel in order to be aware of new videos. Do not forget to share this video on social networks and with friends. Also click on the bell near the button of subscription so as not to miss the notifications of new series. We wish you excellent fishing and good luck. See you soon.